Hi, I'm Ayush, a marketing manager here at Softex. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can quickly and securely access any on-premise application that supports ADFS using OmniDefend's ADFS integrated multi-factor authentication. This includes Microsoft Exchange and Outlook Web Access applications. For more information or to try OmniDefend for free, please visit our website, www.omnidefend.com, or contact our sales team by filling out the form linked in the description below. Once the admin has provisioned a set of multi-factor authentication devices, OmniDefend's ADFS connector allows you to securely log in to any application that supports ADFS. These devices include fingerprint and palm vein scanners, smart cards, token, OTP, and other FIDO-compatible devices including Windows Hello, Android Biometric, as well as iOS Face ID and Touch ID. For this demo, I've created a model company called Pinnacle Services, which is using OTP through OmniDefend to log into the on-prem mail server. If you're using the 2016 version of ADFS, OmniDefend can be used as a second factor authentication method, which I will demonstrate by entering in my username, followed by my password, after which I am prompted by OmniDefend's ADFS connector to authenticate using the pre-provisioned multi-factor authentication device, in this case, OTP. So I will enter in the OTP, and in just a few seconds, I am logged in securely using OmniDefend. OmniDefend can also be used as the primary authentication method for 2019 and onward versions of ADFS. For this authentication method, OmniDefend bypasses the need for a password and simply prompts the user to log in securely with their username and any admin provisioned multi-factor authentication device. To demonstrate, I will log out once again. I'll redirect back to the mail server, and after entering in my username, OmniDefend's ADFS connector prompts me to swipe my finger, and I am securely logged in with OmniDefend. As an admin, OmniDefend equips you with the complete set of tools to make auditing and reporting easy. To demonstrate, I'll log out and log into the Pinnacle Services admin dashboard, where after swiping my finger, I am greeted with a set of admin provisioned applications and the ability to access a comprehensive account of who, when, and from what IP a user is logged in. All of this data can be filtered in a variety of different ways and can be easily exported into standard file types. Thank you so much for your interest in the OmniDefend ADFS integrated multi-factor authentication solution. Like I said, for more information or to try OmniDefend for free, please visit our website, www.omnidefend, or contact our sales team by filling out the form linked in the description below.